So this is what they call paklay, no? Mainit pa masyadong paklay. One of my escapades when I go out. So padaan ako dito sa this is formerly Lapu-Lapu intersection ng Lapu-Lapu. So I'm eating yung ano to, yung paklay. Ano? Lamang loob with malamig na coke. Okay, so I'm eating right now. This is yung place na mga karinderya na place. Puno ng mga karinderya to eh, na this intersection ng kalibat yung kali na to, no? So you have a lot of options, mga food, kain. Sa akin naman I'm eating yung paklay na masarap, super sarap. Yun. Ito yung kanya. Mura na to. This is 50 pesos. I've eaten to the mga most expensive na restaurant, but nothing beats the well cooked karinderya food. Sarap. The best. Ito yung this one. But don't do this regularly. Once or twice a month lang, pwede na. Sarap. May halo din siyang mga vegetables, no? Super sarap, no? Pabalik ako dito. Super sarap. Punong-puno to. And this is only for 50 pesos yung rice. I think less than 100 pesos meal. Again, ito yung mga panakaw-nakaw natin na kain.